I'm recording you doing this. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Good one, Glenn?
Who pokes at their injuries anyway?
We would. Yeah, we would. Wait. Tweezers?
Who wouldn't?
Right, after we've done that, we're going in with the black stuff now.
Do you have 2 layers in the center?
Right inside.
I've got 3.
3, yeah, that's why it's taking a little bit longer. You got a deep burn there.
There's one for you. Right?
Started yesterday.
So tired of these allergies starting to come in.
I have a short attention span.
So gross.
It looks really gross on camera, too.
I guess.
Yeah, really, eh?
You have no idea how gross this looks on the camera right now.
Oh, yeah?
She's picking at
Oh,
herself.
it looks hideous.
Ew.
That's great.
Look when it tugs. The alarm moves.
That's hilarious.
That is grody.